trips are making me very patriotic. This is the heartland. This is the people. And this is a great country. There, I said my patriotic statement for today. But there's a lot of beautiful things about this country, and I am grateful to God for it. All right, here goes a video series of the Classic Auto Mall in Pennsylvania. Live the adventure with us, what we call MustangMedic. And I say us because anybody that loves a Mustang or works on a Mustang is a MustangMedic to me. Also, stay tuned for MustangMedic Branch. .com. All right. Focusing on my driving, guys. Notice I've got my seatbelt on. And I'm waiting on that Mustang. And there is the view of the sign after you get off the exit, the Classic Auto Mall. And it's attached to this Holiday Inn, so just trying to help you guys find it next time when you're looking for it. All right, I made it to the mall, and it was quite an adventure in the rain, but it wasn't a bad trip. And as you can see, it's 8:30 in the morning or 8:40 in the morning right now, and it is already really active. I just spoke to a guy that found an original Shelby steering wheel, and the reason I'm not putting him on video is because I sure as heck don't want to embarrass him, but he media blasted it. He media blasted an original Shelby steering wheel that he bought for 50 bucks. I don't know if you guys are in as much pain as I am, but I told him don't get rid of the patina, but it was too late. I don't even want to, I told him how much he appreciated it, but he said he doesn't care. Personally, I would have liked the 3,500 bucks. Anyway, let's check out some more stuff. Well, actually, we haven't checked out anything yet. Here we go. And there's all kinds of rare stuff over here at the swap meet. I've already had numerous conversations, too many to count, and I'm just gonna keep looking. So if I see some Ford stuff that's absolutely out of control rare, I'll show it to you. But this is all kinds of vendors having all kinds of stuff out here, and it's starting right up right away because it's early in the morning right now. Pretty cool. Restoration.